What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the review and unboxing of this trail camera that I got here guys. What you guys can basically see, this is the camera right here. I'm going to unbox it, let you guys see basically what's inside. This is the camera right here. So basically used in trail to capture those animals, and it's just a great choice. So you can see right here, these are some more details that on it. So I'm going to unbox it, let you guys see what's inside. Let's get into it. So as you can see guys, this is the camera right here. As you can basically see, this is the box that it comes in, which is, as you can see, it is 28 megapixel ultra HD 2.7K IP66. Use a manual right here. Also in the pack we have the camera right here itself. Also we got some USB cable. Then we have a strap right here. You can basically strap the camera together on any tree surface. And right here guys, we have some mount that can mount the camera up together. This is a trail camera right here. You can see we have the camera right here. Then we have some bit of light right up here. Then we have some sensor right here, which is really great. So for outside looking something like this. So we have this clip right here that you can basically lock and close it. Let me open it so you guys see what's inside. So this right here is the menu. You can basically see, and this can use a memory card which come inside as well. As you can see, the memory card right here, USB, off, test on. So there's an on and off button right here, as you can see, where you can charge this, or you can transfer file via USB right there. You can turn on and off right there, which is really great. So inside right here guys, this is where the battery goes, as you can see. And this basically use 8 AA batteries that you can basically put inside. So I'm going to put my battery inside right now and boot it up so you guys see basically how it's works. As you can see guys, I have now placed my battery right inside, and the camera has now boot up, as you can see right there. So basically doing some flashing. We have a SD card inside as well. So these are all the modes that we can basically change it to. So as you can see, the camera is on right now. So I'm out here and you can see some bit of camera showing right there. So we can change to picture mode, or we can change to video mode right there, as you can see. So with the memory card right here, we have a bit of 2 hours recording time. So we have a menu right here that we can go through. Yeah, so right now finally reach one of them. Right now it's the one right here. So I'll just take a picture of this. I'm gonna guys see. And the thing guys about this is basically has a night vision built in on it. So in the night you can basically get some good footage on this right here, which is really great. Something that I look forward to see the footage of this right here. So I'm gonna take a picture right now, let you guys see. Alright guys, so basically right now we're taking some pictures. As you can see right here, we have a shot button right here, line up our shot, and we're gonna take a picture right here. Perfect. So that's one take already. I'm gonna take some more over here. See, take one more right here. And now we're gonna try the video now to see basically how it look. So I'm gonna go in the menu. I'm gonna change the mode to the video. Okay. I'm gonna go back now. I'm gonna take shot again. Yeah, now guys, it's recorded right there. So you can see that now it is being recorded, showing some footage right here. So you guys gonna basically see the output of this right here and how it basically looks, final product. So this is the great trail camera out here. I must stand. So how it basically look when it's recorded. And yeah, out here gonna get some great footage. So time is kind of overcast right now because it's been raining all morning. So, and this is basically recorded in 1080p, as you can see right there, 1080p, which should be a great footage. Yeah. So right now guys, I'm just gonna close off this video right now, if you guys see. And yeah, we're out here, so stay tuned guys. Right now guys, I'm just gonna close off this video right now, if you guys see. And yeah, we're out here, so stay tuned guys. So guys, right now I'm outside and we have it in night vision right now, and it's completely dark, and you basically can see right now. So outside right here, so this is Shaggy right here guys. It's completely dark, and as you can see, it works real great with the night vision right here. Shaggy, as you can see, and this is something that I love. So basically top shine, come Shaggy. So you can see very clear, as you can see guys, very clear right here outside. So guys, this is it, the video. Thank you for watching, and this is basically shoot onto the camera. So thank you for watching, and hope you find this video very helpful. See you guys in my next video. Peace out.